My name is Reza Alavi. I'm a sport medicine physician here at Florida Orthopedic Institute, and I've been practicing for more than 20 years. I'm originally from Iran. After my medical school, I've done my first residency in orthopedic surgery, and I practiced as a board-certified orthopedic surgeon for 10 years before I moved to the United States with my family in 2015. My spare time is dedicated to my family. My daughter, she is 12. My wife, she is a dentist. We live here in Tampa together. What we do usually in our spare time, we do different type of sport. We watch movies and we travel a lot. I've been here in Tampa since 2018 when I started my fellowship in sport medicine, and in 2019 I got this opportunity and I joined Florida Orthopedic Institute. As a sport medicine physician in my practice, I usually see any kinds of non-surgical orthopedics problem, including injuries or disease in both adult and kids. I do intervention like ultrasound guided procedures. In my practice, I really enjoy helping people reach out to their health and happiness. One of my best time in my practice is going to be when one of my patients says, "Hey doc, I'm really getting better," and it means everything for me. Florida Orthopedic Institute is a well-organized, multidisciplinary orthopedic center which has been a point of reference in orthopedic for decades. It's always nice to have a team, everything together. Basically, when patient walks to our clinic, everything from A to Z will be done quick and we don't need to send them out for anything else. I'm really excited to join Florida Orthopedic Institute, one of the best orthopedic institutes. I believe in medicine, one size never fits for all, and every single patient should be treated as an individual.